And there we have it. We are rid of all the loose dirt and we can have a closer look at it. Now, before we're really digging into it, once again, although bear in mind this is just a once over, it's very light maintenance, and believe me, this is the key to long product life. This is going to last forever if you do this every time. Do I do this every time? Yes, absolutely. To me, maintenance is fun, and it is a part of the ownership of these things. So we do put them through their paces, most definitely. And maintenance is definitely a part of the ownership. So you do have to enjoy working on these things. Usually people who buy these, I've noticed, are mechanically minded. You really have to enjoy working on this. And it's not complicated. There are a lot of screws and a lot of nuts and bolts and that kind of stuff. But that's it. That's all there is to it. It's fairly simple. You have your owner's manual, which is available for download on the internet. You have all the parts diagrams on the Traxxas website. So you have all the support you need to be able to do your own maintenance. And this is merely a guide of how I do it. You do as you please. And there you have it. So now that it's on the bench, before I'm going to start wrenching on it, I'm going to put my batteries in storage mode, because I'm probably not going to be able to go for a rip until next weekend, as most people do. So batteries in storage mode in the LiPo safe bag and so on and so forth. You know, use precaution with LiPo batteries. You know the drill. I mean, read the instructions that are on the batteries. They are there for a good reason, for your safety, and it's a good reminder to sometimes, you know, read those once again. Now that the batteries are on charge and that this beautiful thing is on the bench, it's time to give it a once over. And basically, I've got my little lamp here, and I'm just going to go and take a close look at the innards of the beast. Make sure nothing's loose. Just look around at all the screws. Make sure that they are nice and tight, that there's no dirt in them. Take a look at everything that pivots. Might want to add a drop of oil on the universal joints of the front axle. Taking a look at the rear, I can definitely see that my little oil-filled differential is weeping a tiny bit from the oil seal. So back to the drawing board. I'm going to have to add a few, I suppose, and find another way. Back to the drawing board, not a problem. After every failure comes success. I just found out here that one of the shock socks has come undone. So that is a good opportunity now to fix that before damage gets done. Hence why it's important to do this preventive maintenance, basically. And that's all. That's about all. Once I've cleaned up the axle, the rear axle here, and sorted out the oil loss problem. Why do I keep doing this to myself, man? I'll just, you know, slap the wheels back on and put it on its blocks, ready for next weekend. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and leave a comment if you did. I always read through the comments. It's always good fun, and I like connecting with you guys. So watch out for the community area. Sometimes I get posts over there, and check out my Instagram as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. It was a great pleasure to be here with you, and I'll be catching you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.